Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this lesson, I decided to explain you about English alphabet. So, before explaining this alphabet, I want to remind you some quotes about alphabet. So, as you know, the alphabet is the key of language. So, it means if you know the alphabet and you can read something and you can open the door of knowledge. Okay? So, for that one, the first, learn the alphabet. Let's start. The English alphabet consists from 26 letters and they divide by two groups, vowels and consonants. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and Y. The consonants are except vowels. Okay? The vowels are 6 and the consonants are 20. Okay, so let's start. And before starting this lesson, just you must pay attention for my pronunciation, how I pronounce, and then let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay? And so some of the people makes mistakes between A and E in a pronunciation. Okay? This one is A and this one is E and other one is G and J. This called G and this one is J. Okay? Okay, and in alphabet we have two really important rules of alphabet. Okay, this one is the capital and the lower cases. The capital letters is this one, A, B, C, D. The capital, it means big letters, and the lowercase, it means small letters. Okay, just it's a lower cases and this one is capital letters. Okay, so and some of the people makes mistakes between the lowercase of B and D. Okay, B and D, look at them. B is looking for right and D is looking for left. Okay, and between P and Q, P and Q, P is looking for right and this one is left. Okay, and it's an important alphabet of, and most of the students make mistakes very much. Okay, so this one is N and this one is H. Look at the tail. The tail of the H is longer than N and the tail of N is smaller than H. Okay, so for that one, just look at them carefully. If it's boring, just I want to song. Listen. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. No one know my ABCs, 26 letters from A to Z. No one know my ABCs. 26 letters from A to Z. Okay? So it was our alphabet. And so if this video will helpful for you, just click the like and write in my comment. Just subscribe to my channel and wait other videos, okay? Thanks for watching.